What's up guys, I'm back with another video. It's time to take a look at Samsung's next big evolution. We now know exactly what's beyond infinity. There's been so much news to talk about. 5G madness is upon us, Galaxy F news, and more. So before we get into the evolution, the future, let's take an exclusive look at the 5G Galaxy S10 prototype that Samsung showed off recently to demonstrate its 5G power. Courtesy of Phone Arena, we have some high quality pictures, and this prototype of the S10 actually confirms a lot of things for us, such as having the hole on the top right corner, the horizontal dual cameras on the back, which we're gonna see on the S10 Lite / Galaxy S10 model, a new earpiece design which is right at the top. Now it is a prototype, which is why it has this weird notch cutout at the right, which we're not gonna see on the final version. Also, there's been some fake leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus showing the triple cameras on the back. If any live leak happen, you'll be first to see it here. So moving on Leaks posted the first Galaxy S10 Plus renders that were based on the factory CAD, and later he posted the correct Galaxy S10 Plus renders with 4 cameras on the back and also less bezels. But one thing that remained was the pill-shaped camera sensors on the front. This is definitely a hard pill to swallow for some people, because this is indeed happening on the Galaxy S10 Plus. It's been confirmed by multiple screen protector leaks showing off the Pill Infinity O cutout. I strongly believe that Galaxy S10 Plus in real life will look much better than the renders, and I'm more interested to see what those front cameras will bring to the table, how good the selfies will be and everything. The wide angle lens will be there on the front for those wide angle selfies, which is something that we have never seen on a Samsung flagship phone before, so that's something exciting. Also, for those of you who are thinking about that chin, it's actually on par with the iPhone XS chin. Don't get into the illusion, it is actually on par with the iPhone. Now, Samsung Galaxy S10, the smaller model, will be having just one in-display camera hole, since dual cameras are exclusive to the bigger model. It definitely looks better than the S10 Plus. And as for the back, we have another leak render based on the factory CAD, which shows dual cameras in horizontal orientation, which is probably for the Galaxy S10 Lite or the S10. We have the normal lens along with the ultra wide angle lens. Also, a huge news that happened this week is the Snapdragon 855, which is now official. It is a chip built on 7nm process. It has a lot of improvements, and it's the go-to chip for manufacturers to have 5G. There will be 2 types of Snapdragon 855 chips, one with X24 modem that's going to be inside of all the 4G Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus variants, and then there's going to be a 5G S10 Plus, which will exclusively have Snapdragon 855 with X50 modem to enable 5G. And that's going to be the same case with other 5G phones as well, from Xiaomi, OnePlus, and LG. Now, so far, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint has announced that they are working with Samsung on a 5G powered smartphone, aka the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G. So it's pretty clear that 5G S10 Plus with Snapdragon 855 is coming to United States. Now, which is the superior Galaxy S10? Is it the Qualcomm or Exynos? Right now, based on the Antutu benchmark, the Qualcomm Galaxy S10 is powerful than the Exynos 9820. It even beats out the Huawei 7nm K980. Now, I do believe that Exynos models are better in scores. They have been better in the past, so maybe with the final version we might see the Exynos model catching up, or it could be that this year Qualcomm is really better. According to Samsung, Exynos model is capable of doing 8K video recording at 30 FPS. The Snapdragon chip is not capable of doing that. It can only do 4K at 60 frames per second. So we're not going to see 8K video recording on the Samsung flagship phone. Not as of now, maybe in the future, but you can see the Exynos has a lot of video power there, which we don't have on the Snapdragon chip. A lot of other things are common, like the dedicated NPU for AI, support for UFS 3.0 storage, LPDDR4X RAM, and super fast download and upload speeds. Still, the Apple A12 7nm chip is slightly ahead of the benchmark game, but I'll be doing my comparison when I get these hands on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, Qualcomm has also developed the new 3D Sonic in-display fingerprint scanner, which we're gonna see on the Samsung Galaxy S10 family and a bunch of other flagship phones later on. This, as the name suggests, will use sonic waves to make an ultrasonic scan of your fingers in 3 dimensions, and it will be able to see through contaminants such as water, oil, or dust to provide an accurate scan. This will be one of the top features of the Galaxy S10 that we wanted for so long. It's finally happening. Now, another Galaxy phone that is coming before the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the Galaxy S10. This is the first phone to have an Infinity O design with a hole on the left. It's having an LCD display instead of OLED, which is reserved for the Galaxy S10. We finally got its first press looking images showing a fingerprint scanner on the back with 3 cameras and also a hole on the front left. The earpiece has been moved at the top edge, which is what Samsung will do for the Galaxy S10 family as well. Now, about the foldable Galaxy F phone, it's going to be a very exclusive kind of device. It's going to be expensive. We've heard that Galaxy F won't get Gorilla Glass protection, but now Corning is actually developing an ultra-thin Gorilla Glass for foldable phones, which is pretty awesome because most of smartphones use Gorilla Glass for protection, and now it's implemented on foldable phones as well. There's a huge chance that this might end up on the Samsung Galaxy F. Samsung is most likely to properly show off their foldable phone at CES 2019. So that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. The evolution from Infinity is here, a build for Galaxy S10 Plus and a mold for the Galaxy S10. Obviously, the S10 looks more futuristic and better looking, but I am interested in what those build dual cameras can do, and most likely I will be using the Plus model. Like every year, I will be using the Plus model as my main Android phone. So Galaxy S10 Plus emerald green color is the one in which I am interested in. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also subscribe to the channel for daily tech coverage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.